Why do 90% of GCSE students panic when they see a quadratic equation? This panic comes from missing the simple step-by-step pattern in the formula. The quadratic formula is your secret weapon against exam stress. Did you know? The formula was first used by a 17th-century French mathematician for practical problems. But for GCSE, we focus on the 3 critical steps you need to remember. First, identify the coefficients a, b, and c from your equation. Watch the signs carefully. Negative numbers change the whole calculation. The discriminate is your hidden key to real solutions or no solutions. Most students skip checking the discriminate, but this catches 80% of mistakes. Real exam tip: if the quadratic is factorable, skip the formula, but only if it's simple. The discriminate tells you if solutions are real numbers or imaginary numbers. Negative discriminate means no real solutions, but this is a common exam trap. Calculate the discriminate first. It avoids complex calculations later. The square root of the discriminate is the next critical step. Use your calculator for square roots, but remember the plus or minus sign. This plus or minus sign gives you 2 solutions, one for each root. Plug the values into the formula. Do this slowly to avoid errors. The denominator is always 2a. This is where most students slip up. Double-check your division. Fractions confuse many students. The discriminate tells you if solutions are integers or decimals. Real exam trick: if the discriminate is a perfect square, solutions are integers. Practice with simple equations first, then move to complex ones. The quadratic formula works for all equations, no exceptions. Your calculator will do the heavy lifting, but understanding matters most. Remember, a equals coefficient of x superscript 2, b equals coefficient of x, c equals constant term. The formula gives you the exact solutions, no approximation needed. Most students forget to simplify fractions. This costs marks. This step-by-step method works for all GCSE quadratic problems. The secret is practice with the right steps and not memorizing the formula. You now have the power to solve any quadratic problem quickly. GCSE exam success starts with understanding the formula steps. Save this before your exam.